My name is Jeff Farrentine with SFS Mass Timber. I've been out on this project for a little over a year. I'm the lead carpenter here on this project here doing the lattice install. Typically we install both screws in either end of the lattice and it's on the ground. In order to keep the drill body away from the screws when you're installing, we use a 6-inch extension here that locks in the proprietary tip that was given by us with each box of screws. And the tips are really well, as you can see, it holds a screw in there. Typically, you don't really need to ever change the tip. I mean, you could install thousands upon thousands of screws with this same tip with no issues. And for us, we install all these fasteners on the #1 speed on the drill, and that seems to work out great. Something that stood out to me about these screws and other screws in the past is part of the thread you can see here actually is inside some of the lattice when you're installing, which kind of creates like a clamping effect when you're installing the lattice. One of the things to pay attention to when we're installing these is you have to make sure the material is tight to the other piece of wood when you're installing this so it doesn't drift away when you're installing, so you're able to get the head nice and countersunk without being too countersunk. I've installed probably close to 100,000 of these screws here, and they've been very beneficial to us on the job site as far as being easy to install. The product seems good and it seems to outperform other things that we've used in the past, and we're very happy with them.